numerical example based on displacement in the nth second of the journey. A body starts from rest and moves with a constant acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Calculate the displacement in the fourth second of its motion. There are a couple of data. He says starts from rest. So the moment C starts from rest, it means that initial velocity is 0. Acceleration is constant. Calculate the displacement in the fourth second. That means we are now considering the displacement in the nth second of the journey, which is given by Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So now what are all the data? U is 0, acceleration is 2 meter per second square, the value of n is 4. Let us substitute here. Sn is equal to u 0 plus 2 by 2 into 2 into n is 4 minus 1. This is what I have used. 0 plus this is 2 by 2 1 into this is 8 minus 1, and this simplifies further to 0 plus 7 or 7 meter. Thus the distance travelled in the fourth second of the journey is 7 meter.